Hi, and welcome to Business Builders. Today, we are joined by Alex Medcalf, COO and co-founder of Naoca, a live streaming platform. Alex, welcome. Naoca's mission is to bring people together for important moments. Tell us more about how you do this.
Well, thank you for having me. Firstly, we formed in 2018. We previously worked in a funeral home, so when George and I, we started a live streaming business. We felt we wanted to deliver live streaming and online recordings to families. It was being delivered at an unreasonable price point, and we wanted to make it cost effective so it could be part of every service.
That's wonderful. And congratulations on building that great service. Obviously, the demand for this service must really have changed in the last 2 years. Can you tell us a bit about that journey?
We went from streaming around 400 funerals a month, and we're now well over 2,000. The actual viewing audiences have gone from 15 people watching each funeral up to over 100. What we found is that it's blown out the budget and then obviously the infrastructure and the maintenance that we needed to deliver to support that.
You're absolutely right. We saw so many media companies struggling to scale their services to meet the growing demand in the last 2 years. And what they were telling us is that they're often overrun by costs, their quality suffers. So really interested to hear from you on what changes you've had to make from a technology standpoint to maintain or even possibly improve your customer experience.
The real decision we had to make was with the 550% viewer audience spike was whether we were going to just increase our costs and push that out, or whether we were going to rebuild, reanalyze, and start again and keep the same price point. Before, when we were using the third-party providers, if one of them made changes to their platform, it would then impact everything else. And we were having to look at Twitter updates to find when downtime was going to happen and certain servers were switched off. So we used to spend about 30% of our developer hours maintaining our existing programs. Moving on to the AWS platform, we really found that the whole integrated service provided us a great platform to reduce costs, to reduce maintenance time, and to carry on basically delivering our streaming at the price point that we wanted and we felt was acceptable.
Did that set you up to expand your streaming services into other occasions as well?
The best thing about the AWS experience is we've been given sort of really good points of contact with the account manager and the solutions architect. So we now use an integrated approach to S3, to Route 53, CloudFront and Media Live. The AWS team have also helped us reduce costs by providing that outcome for us and showing us how to do it. We're looking at branching out into education, some government council streaming. Most topical at the moment is the aviation side, where we're looking at streaming engine failures back to sort of a service desk. We're currently going through trialing of a platform which is going to allow them to get their pilots to stream cracks in engines, etc., back to a help desk of engineers. Hopefully give them a much more flexible support service to help them get back in the sky as quickly as possible.
Very exciting, and it's very cool. And obviously, I want to know how we at AWS can play a role in whatever is next for you at Naoca. Tell us a bit more about how we can help you.
The key things, and this has been like the standout tenet of the support we've received from AWS straight away, has been their care about our business and supporting us with partners such as DNX, for example, who are able to come in and do a solutions sort of architecture review and then analyze where our business may be able to sort of step up its quality level and reliability, and we can maybe even reduce costs on the platform itself. So what we've been able to do is keep our developer hours low by using outsourced professionals, partly facilitated by the AWS team, and allow our staff to sort of put the effort into the customer.
I'm so happy that AWS and our partners have been able to help you on that journey. And thanks to you for joining us. Thank you to everyone out there for joining us today. And stay tuned for our next episode of Business Builders.